case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the gripping case of D'Aquino v. United States, a U.S. citizen was convicted for broadcasting propaganda favoring the Imperial Japanese Government, an alarming act that defied notions of patriotism during the war-ridden era of the 1940s. The case was heard in 1951 by the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit and proved a challenging litmus test for the boundaries of free speech during times of conflict. As the case unfolded, the prosecution presented evidence indicating that the accused had announced the losses of American ships during the tumultuous Leyte Gulf battle, an overt act which led to her conviction. Meanwhile, in a desperate attempt to shed light on her state of mind, her defense team showcased the appalling atrocities that the Japanese had inflicted on prisoners of war. They also highlighted the constant police surveillance she faced. Amid the cross-examination process, the court judiciously dismissed certain lines of inquiry, including the defendant's access to counsel during an interview and the witness's personal opinions regarding guilt or innocence. The court drew a clear boundary, refusing to entertain the defense's notion that the broadcasts had in any way boosted American morale. The defense's attempt to argue this was shot down, with the court stating that the desired effect of a traitorous plan is ultimately irrelevant and deemed the suggestive evidence inadmissible. On the appeal, the appellant's counsel fervently fought for a new trial or a judgment of discharge. They threw their weight behind questioning the constitutionality of the treason clause and its application to their client's case. Despite a potential error concerning the legality of D'Aquino's arrest during the initial trial, the appeal court opted not to upset the decision of the lower court. The defense's claim of government fraud remained unsubstantiated, and the prosecutor's usage of Exhibit 52 was deemed acceptable, not adding up to any misconduct. With accurate jury instruction and a record free from harmful error, the appeal court stood firm on affirming the initial judgment. The case of D'Aquino v. United States remains etched in legal history, reiterating the delicate balance between rights and restrictions, particularly during times of war.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.